Morning guys. So, it is absolutely pissing it down. I'm just down at Paul's. I'm dragging him out in rain. So we're going to go for a little venture in the rain, which should be pretty cool, because once you're wet, you're wet. You can't get any wetter. So let's do this, shall we? Lovely weather, lovely summer weather, absolutely gorgeous. So, it's the middle of June, it's the middle of summer, and the weather's shit. 14th of June, can you believe this? It's more like a January's day. Anyhow, it's not stopping us. And I've dragged Paul out, he's complaining I'm going through puddles in front of him. So, finally got him out in rain. Because after all, once you get wet once, you can't get any wetter. So let's see where this little putter goes, eh? Stop raining. How long for? We have no idea. So I think we're going to go for a putter here, there and everywhere. Because the weather's been that crap and that windy. Just have not been out since my 28 miler just under 2 weeks ago. And we had a beautiful day last Saturday. It was absolutely brilliant. But I was shooting a wedding. So couldn't get out. So the weather's for the next pretty much 10 days, the morning cow, has given absolute dog shit. So make the best of it. What the hell? Get out. Maybe I'll put my suspension on as well. So yeah, have a little potter. So who else uses the Action Cam 3? And do you find that the buttons are a bastard to push? Well, my solution is little round things what you put on your cupboard doors so it doesn't bang when they're shut. I modified 2 of them and put them on both. So now you can feel the button, what you're pushing. There we are, tip of the day for you. So it's just starting to spit again. I'm just going to head up where the, basically we're heading up to where Bomber went down, and then possibly go on to the other side of Haworth and round there. Just so we're out in rain. What do you say, Paul?
What's that?
Here, talking to you.
What?
Up here, Bomber, turn right, Reservoir, up, Penningston, yep,
Yeah.
down into Haworth.
Yeah.
There we go, and that's what we're doing, guys.
You've got it.
Yabba dabba do. So Paul's just got stuck in bog.
Well, let's see you do better.
Ooh, bouncy, bouncy, bouncy.
Well done.
We're on it. Tramp on a bag of chips. That is really boggy today, man. Oi! That's boggy today. They put bricks over it to stop it from being boggy. We've made a balls up, if you ask me. Got some plans. I'm getting a passport, and I'm going to do some mountain biking. Italy, France, stuff like that. I'm going to get a normal MTB bike, because obviously I have more bother with e-bikes and batteries, taking them on planes and stuff. And also you can cycle the Camino to Santiago, and that is now on my list as I am getting a passport. You arrive in Paris, you get a train all the way down, Start off in France, go for up the dude,
Yeah.
it's just gone out of my head. That you know, the mountains in the Pyrenees.
Pyrenees Mountains in between France and Spain.
Start there, and then
I ain't going with him.
head off. He's not going.
I can't get to end at road.
He can't do 500 mile on a bike. So yeah, that's the idea. So not yet, but my passport runs out in 10 years' time. So it's on my bucket list now, as I am young, free and single. Right, so not sure where these guys have come from. Don't go that way. You're going to end up, oh my God. They're going to end up going down on other bloody track.
Watch it do a flop and what the action team. Is it going this way, flop?
It's going to go all the way till we turn off.
Is it?
Yeah, they are.
Oh no. Oh, that means I don't have to go fast down that hill.
He's come to shout with his mates and they're like,
Hang on,
come on.
Can we undertake them? What's illegal, isn't it?
What, to undertake a cow?
Undertake them down there.
That's it, stay there guys.
Just stay there.
Stay there. We don't want you bloody, no, stay there.
Oh,
Dear Lord, we don't want them coming with us. Well, it's a bit swampy down here as well. Apparently we're getting thunderstorms, so that should be cool if we're out on bikes at the same time when a thunderstorm comes. Taking it steady because everything is slippy as shit down here. Slippy sloppy bollocks, you say. Let's wait for Paul down here.
yeah.
Nice one.
By the way, Dave,
Yay!
I'm the right down here, twice on the floor. And I stop.
Let's take this wide. Oh! Yeah, don't do the same as me. Paul's giving birth back here. Did you give birth then? Right, so we're going to go head down to Wallfield and get on to the other side of the valley over there where you can see. That's where we're going. Right, so down here, as you know, is Pond and Mill. Okay, there's a campsite there, and I think it's like £10–12 to camp at night. And that's what I want to start doing. Just set up tent, me and dog come up, have a night there, a little campfire, get a little disposable barbie going and stuff. And that's my plan of action. So we're going to go past chickens now. Paul's got a GoPro, so he can't take it off like mine as quick, because I'm on a magnetic. And when I'm being magnetic, it just comes off. So anyway, yeah, so get some camping gear and start camping down here and stuff. And I think it's about £10 or £12 for night. And then camp out down there and come walking up here with dog. I mean, I know I'm only a couple of miles away from home, but it's the fact of just getting away for night, innit, end of day. So that's going to be a plan of action. Now we are going to be, if we get a summer, we are going to be organising a group ride up this way. Okay? So if you do follow me, if you do subscribe and you do live local and you want to come over to Oakworth Haworth area in West Yorkshire, then let me know, because we will be organising a big group ride straight over at Tops, about a 35 miler, so that'll be cool. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, share it with your friends, and we'll get a ride going. There's a couple of people asking. I know Doug's wanting to come back over, so let's get ball rolling. If we get a summer, that way we can have a nice day instead of a shitty day out. And we'll get over at Tops, head down to Wise Castle Crag, Todmorden, Hebden Bridge, over at Tops that way. Right then, let's carry on, shall we? Right, let's continue with the mud. It's started to rain, it's just spitting a little bit, so it's just holding off a little bit. So that's all a good bonus. Bada bing bada bum, bish bosh bash and all that kind of shit. Whoa! Canal fire. Just hit a, that's the big slab there.
This?
That square slab in front of your wheel.
Oh yeah, that one.
That's what I've just spun out on.
Yeah.
Better put it on EMTB to get set off here. Yeah, just hit a flat stone and spun out, man. Whoa! Every stone's slippery. And so is all this long grass. I feel like I pissed down one side of my leg. Oh, everything's slippy, man.
Yes! Is that that?
Well, yeah.
You know everyone's chickens down there? She's got serious, she's gonna get some.
Hello, stranger. Haven't seen you for a while. Apparently it's deaf.
Eh?
Apparently it's deaf.
What?
Asshole.
What?
Here's Stanbury. This is someone just asked directions for where the Brunty Falls are, Brunty Waterfalls. So I just directed them to the right place. We're going to go down to the reservoir now, at Stanbury Reservoir. Right, so plan of action is we're going to go over Penston, we're going to drop into Oxenhope, not Oxenhope, we're going to drop into behind the pub, follow it along, go up to the big aerial, follow the road along, go cross country, come out where you'd be going up to Ogden Waters, come out there, turn left, over the moors, come out behind Gilson's Quarry, drop down into Haworth, give us an extra couple of mile ride instead of from this point would normally it'd be a case of turn around and go home now. So we're going to extend it. I'm waiting for wheel spinning. Hurry up. Ding dang do. Kiss kiss bang bang. And all that crap. Right then. Let's go. I think last time I were up these was race day. And it was bone dry. Just left Paul coming uphill. So he'll catch up. I'll wait for him at the top. So EMTB it. And try and find a good line. This is going to be slippy as shit up here. Fucking rock. Got it. We're on. Next tricky bit. It's just up here. We're on. And weird birds here. Long beak. Running up track in front of me. There he goes. Alright, that's it. Wait for Paul now. Just wait for Paul. Look where he is. Oh, can you see him yet? Now then, ooh, look at that. Might as well have a chocky bar. So yeah, straight up stair lane. Continue. I'll wait for Paul. It's a bit steep and tricky for him. To be fair, he's the only person who can fall off bike backwards coming uphill. Well, I think I'm going to go to a little boys' room. I'm going to piss in a puddle. Right, so come upstairs, heading straight across valley now. I'm going to come up onto Ebden Bridge Road, then go across Ebden Bridge Road, go up to the bottom where you go up to Ogden Waters, and then just take a left and go over at Moors and drop into Haworth. So so far it's been dry for maybe the last half an hour, if not more. So that's definitely dropped in the bonus ball. So yeah, hence the reason why we're just going to stay out that little bit longer. And then good afternoon, good morning, good evening. And if I don't see you tomorrow, see you next week. So yeah, hopefully. And I've got to get back because I've got to go and get some shopping for my mother, because unfortunately 2 weeks ago I got a phone call. Well, actually the ex came down and woke me up and said it's your mum. So I had to rush my mum onto A&E. I burst vessel in the leg, and what a mess that is. So fortunately now my mother is housebound at the moment, so I'm just doing the shopping and all the stuff in between. So that's my plan for today. Ride home, change, shopping for mother. So, one's there. There you go. So, just across the other side of Ebden Bridge Road. And there is no wind.
Not a bit.
The wind has literally turned itself off.
Only thing what's causing wind is that windmill.
Well, that's probably just running on electric.
It probably is.
So, and even we have a little bit of blue sky as well. So, Mike Gladbear decided to extend it because the weather's improving. Lovely, jubbly. So look at this. The sun is even trying to come out. What kind of a bonus is that? After the day, how the day started to the sun coming out. The sun is shining. Good morning, ladies. I don't even know what time it is, so good afternoon, ladies. Sorry, I do apologise. It's going on 1 o'clock. So we're only 14 mile in. So, Paul's legs don't go as far as mine, so at least we've been out. And that's the main thing. Happy days. Swamp donkey. Thing is, you don't know how deep they are. You don't know if you're going to come off in the middle of it and get muddy bollocks. Ah, it's turning out to be a nice day now. Absolutely spiffing. Right. Well, just running into a bit of a wind now, and look at that sky up there. So the wind's coming this way, so them clouds are coming this way. So we just need to go across valley and then start heading towards the lighter clouds. But it's weird because the wind seems to be taking these clouds here. Pay attention, I'm going to give you a history lesson. Them clouds there are going that way. Them clouds there are going that way. They're going a different direction. Twister. Not like an ice cream bar coming towards you. Right, so weather's took a bit of a turn. You see it rain? You see it rain?
Oh yeah, it's going to put it down, isn't it?
It's raining over there now. And the rain's here. It has just arrived, baby. Aye, 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 aye! Christ, I can't see where we're going here, man. Nope, I'm off. I have no idea where this track is. Hey, gully. Ah, yeah. Whoa. Right. Yeah, the rain's here. Wind's picked up. Let's get into this bit now. I think Paul's having sex with his saddle. He's doing a lot of mourning. Thing is, man, you don't know how deep this shit is, because I know some are really deep. Well, I'm testing it out, because some, remember I came through here and it went up to me halfway up bike frame. Here's when it goes into your motor. No, not with an electric motor. We're back. Hopefully this rain is just going to blow out of the way, to be fair. Good afternoon, ladies. Good afternoon. No, don't go racing me. Really? You want to race me? Oh. Kiss, kiss, bang, bang. That shit's slippy. That stone's slippy! I'm telling you, he's up on his fucking ass. Take a left. I am. Oh, yeah. Get through. You stopped in it. Oh, that man, that shit stinks. That stinks. It's come off in it. It's come off in it. Man, that shit smells ripe. Little pig, let me in. That's what she said. Man, that was right. There's a little grouse there in front of us. Now this guy wants to race me. There he is. Well, actually, it's not a grouse. I don't know what it was. There's one at signs from Heathcliff. That sign there's from the Heathcliff. Heathcliff. Yeah, because this is where you came on Heathcliff.
I don't like this bit coming up.
Which one?
Where you have to pedal stop up that stairway.
Well, oh, there's another one. I don't know what birds they are.
Huh?
Don't know what birds they are. They look like a really small version of a grouse. Whoa! Muddy bollocks. Oh my God. This is Noisy Max riding a bike. I hate to imagine him on the job. A bit of a... We'll go left then. Go this way. Normally we'll go that way and right, but we'll go this way. Right, join us when we get top of that hill. So we're going to head left and follow it over the moors and drop down into Haworth. Good afternoon, ladies. So just hoping that the rain don't come on any stronger. Right, so I'm heading this way and going over at Moors and dropping in behind Gilson's. Paul has decided to take the road back, so he's going through Leaming, Oxenhope, and then meeting me at top of Haworth, where I'm going to come out on. So yeah. I don't like riding on roads, so let's do this. I personally think this is a quicker way. Is this? So he knows where we're meeting. So he's got pretty much downhill all the way to the roundabout in Oxenhope. Yeah. Then he's got a flat road. Maybe about a mile and a half actually. Don't want to get pedal caught here. Where's this part? Oh, actually, he could go that way. Ah, he could go a different way. Yeah. The way we'd normally go. Ah, never thought of that one for some reason, and I've done it a million times. But I know this much. I am definitely going to get here before him. Because that, if he takes the road he knows, it is quite a bit of a drag going up that way, to be fair. I have to admit, my dog doesn't like little ones because it's never been around kids. So when it sees a short person, he does not know what to make of them. He once saw a guy with a beard and it was like, what the fuck is that? And he was very wary of the beard. Very wary. Right. Damn gates, they open 20 feet wide, man. I hope he's got sense to take the left and the right turning first anyway. Well, we started in the rain. We're midpoint with no rain. It looks like we're finishing it in the rain. It's all good. All good. We're 19 miles in. So we might as well head off. Like I say, I don't know where he's gone, but he should have been there now. I've been there 15 minutes. Now I have tried to ring him. So hopefully he'll look at his phone and realise I've rang. But he should have been there by now, 15 minutes. So I've got a phone in my pocket just in case he rings so I can answer. But can't afford to sit there any longer just in case he's going a different way. So let's pour up Main Street, shall we? Have a look, see how busy it is today. quiet. Home of the Brontes. Right, so I've no idea where Paul is. I'm eating chips. Just in case he passes on Main Street. So there's the famous Black Bull, which is haunted by the brother of the Brontes. So I have no idea where he is, and if I'll see him again today. Right, so Paul's still not answering his phone. I've not seen him come up Main Street. It is now 5 to 2. So I've had my dinner and put her in on home now. So yeah, been a nice little ride today. By the time I get in, I'm about 22.5 miles. And I am turboing it because I've got a stomach full of chips. That was not me. I do not want to lose my chips. Not at £3 a bag. So, turbo it is. Anyhow, I hope you've enjoyed today. Not been bad, mixture of weather. It's been dry for the last half an hour. I'm dry now. Well, hopefully it stays dry until I get through the door. I'll have to dry my clothes. So yeah, happy days. Had some scram. Just got to go to town. Ding dang king dong. All's good. So anyway, like I said, I hope you enjoyed this video. And don't forget to subscribe, share, give us a like. And I'll let you know where Paul is at some point, if I see him again. He's definitely ding dang gone. So, turbo baby, £3 chips is staying down. Yeah, it could be about 22, 23 miles. By the time I get home. Oh, that's a weird looking bird. That's what she said. Anyhow, Take it easy, guys. Peace out. Enjoy. The weekend is just beginning. Take it easy, guys. Peace.